Off-road enthusiasts, we have your truck. This new Tacoma TRD Pro looks amazing and comes off-road ready with a TRD remote reservoir suspension kit, Fox shocks, a stainless steel exhaust, and heritage front grille. The truck comes equipped with 4-wheel crawl control, a locking differential, fuel tank and transfer case skid plates, and a Class 4 hitch. Dropping the tailgate reveals a 5-foot composite cargo bed, adjustable tie-downs, and a convenient 120-volt power outlet. This awesome 4x4 rides on 16-inch TRD black alloy wheels and is equipped with rigid industry fog lamps, a TRD skid plate, and LED running lights. Inside the cabin you'll find TRD Pro leather heated seats, dual zone climate control, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, push button start, tilt steering with a leather wrapped wheel, and an AM, FM, CD display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. The TRD Pro comes with unique branded upholstery, and the double cab offers easy access to the passenger compartment. There's no shortage of power with a 3.5-liter V6 under the hood, mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. The TRD Pro is one tough truck that's ready for adventure. Don't miss your chance to drive this one home. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leithhead Road in Kelowna.